Okay, so guys, can you hear my voice? Let me let me try the live. So I open my YouTuber and my channel. No, found me. Okay, let me just open the YouTube. Maybe I change my username. So go on my channel and it's live. Okay, you can listen to my voice. Okay, let me start it. The video I want to told you I'm under M1 and then Mac OS. Maybe you either M1 Pro or some M2, some of the silicon guys. If you want to the Linux things, so the few have some interesting. So let me talk my feeling and the shine for you for everything, guys. Maybe future is a good, bad, more than better. The video have the Doga, maybe on the few 3 day and 2 day. I will correct it and then the Doga the video and for show you and some cut something. But I will tell you. So the video the Doga, I will talk the 3 language and for the told you I am under my M1 the Mac PC and use the Linux 的 feeling。OK， 这个视频我会告诉你我在M1 Mac OS 上面使用 Linux 的感受。是。OK， 皆さん。この動画は、僕は、M1 Apple Mac M1 and Linux で、Linux 使うthe feeling and keen so いただくて、じゃあ始めましょう。And started. Okay, and I really thanking everyone let me listen my told the feeling. Thanks you anything and any the water user. 我很感谢各位看这个视频的各位用户。So on the2016年in the 2026 starting 2026年 M1 的例子maybe so some the older yeah maybe but Apple under support ですよね but the M1 on the now it's some the older I'm totally older because today M6 M5 really you need help. So now you if you open your Apple.com and you will check the Mac, you will find that Mac Pro, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. Hey, what? Apple? What? So okay. So if you found the Mac, you can look there now. You can new the iPhone 17e, but Mac Mini really popular, yeah. And MacBook Neo, the soon, yeah. But it's a use. Oh, maybe it's a really Kaluine. Well, it's so good, but. We are the user MacBook M1. Yeah. Let me show you. NEO FETSH. No, not NEO. The faster FETSH. What? BW install NEO FETSH. So do they have? Yeah, we don't know. Not quickly. So maybe faster FEDSH. Okay, faster fetch have. So, mm, and today M1 just can do it. Not good, more and better. Yeah, just can use that. Just enough, not more and more and better and better. And you can buy some the M1 Air and for the demo for the test. Yeah, but on the begin, I installed the two and on my the Macintosh and the disk. So let me just show you my the disk. So disk control. Hey, disk control overlap. どこで Okay, disk. So let me input my the password. So you tell this just have the 256, and then you have to go to look. Garbage. Okay, this is have some the Mac and some the AsahiLinux&Fedora. I'm told the Fedora. My many to my channel user Debian is my on the use Linux. Fedora, I maybe can do it, but this is not the trouble. Yeah, some of the terminal and the same to my some yeah. But I want to tell you something, so let me go under Asahi Linux org. So if you want to install the Fedora, yeah, why the aggregation valve should be also and for you install the Fedora, because Fedora is really the full and spoiled Asahi Linux program project, yeah, project. But Debian, no, Debian just have their installed Debian on their application M1. So how to doing that? So in the instructor and Air and Pro, Macmillan Studio, and 2020 years. Basically ARM, but it's ARM, not the traditional ARM. ARM the 54, not the tradition. I'm told you the information because we added user and ARM, maybe the ARM v7, ARM v8, maybe. So using more the new and the technology ARM. But Apple there is the Arch and the 54. This is the full name. Yeah, you can do many the coder can meet it, can watch that, can see that. Yeah, but let me tell you why the different. On the Intel and AMD, some of the CPU and the silicon, so doing the Arch have the 4K play the coding, but Apple doesn't matter. Not think that Apple's M1 and Schlind use 15K and a page table. Why the 15 page table? So you have the box, but the box size just have the 4K. So you apply some the programmer, so Sokdoa, Speedwa, that's a number. But if you have the 50 and the 16K, 60K the box, so you can run in play the programmer. You can feel the more and faster. Yeah, so this is the Mac OS. But the different is now and begin. I want to know to master and the writing the code or some guys. Yeah, the developer manager, the coder, and the one writing the coder just can servers play on the 4K. So this I have a question. If we use the 15K, the kernel and the box and the coder, you will feel, and to match the program, you have the error. Yeah, it's no good. So we'll tell you that one something. Yeah. 所以让我来告诉你一件事情啊 ，Apple 的 M1 Silicon is good. Yeah, it's really good. But the keynote and the design and the 15K， 它使用16K 的一个 CPU 处理芯片，这会带来一个 problem。Yeah， 这是 question， 这会有一个问题。What the question？ So， 如果你用的一些应用，大部分开发者他们打包的应用依赖是 4K 的，在这些平台上没有任何问题。但是如果你要使用16K 的，你要重新打包，不只是打包的问题，你会遇到很多依赖工具，它并不支持 Not Spoiled and 17 and page table. This I want to tell you something. This is a really and important moment feeling. OK， 我牢骚说完了。OK， 我们今天我会向你 show you under open Fedora, Linux, and I want to change the Debian under macOS M1. So how to do it, and you know 我应该如何做呀？哈，如果你有兴趣的话 ，you can learn something on your M1, M2, the macOS, and install AsahiLinux for the many different Linux stage. Yeah. Okay, let's start it. So first we need and reading the introduction instructor, and we know something. What something? And today, the Debian the Wiki and install Debian and Apple M1, just a demo. Not really good. For and Fedora Univa and Fedora maybe is good, but this is Debian Banana 13. Okay, this 13 Debian team. You can RC under Magic. Some guess you need that one RC. You can download the hello, use that and join the RC server. And element, you can download them element and join the matrix. And you can everyone and talk something. Okay, so this is the servers and link and Potter email list. Okay, let's start it. Let me skip it. Banana team is spelled node. Important. This is unnotifiable. So what is an unnotifiable? This is Fedora and Debian on non-same. Fedora is official. Yeah, official. But Linux, but under Debian is unnotifiable. So and the responsibility story. Yeah. So if you want to use some of the div, you need to check that. It's on if you want it. Yeah, because it have the balance archive, lib, meta. Yeah, Asahi program difficult, definitely running there and M1. Yeah. Sim. No, too much of folder even. Just need that under your Apple Silicon running the Debian. So it's good. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. And also, if you use M3 and M4, not spoil that. So the program, the AsahiLinux, the project plan, just for the M1 M2 DSO. So you need that because you can close the live and go to sleep. Yeah. So AsahiLinux projector. So you need to check Asahi doc. So no, we don't talk that. So software node package and Debian. First, Linux kernel. Well, Linux kernel. Not spelled What? So it's not a packet. Let me really need that. So it can send a 16 pointer and a 16. So we need to check that. Yeah, and you build. Oh, you build really need that. If you need that, you build. You can and open and any and Linux. Yeah. What? Not have on your on your Mac and install more different Linux. What? Not a single your Mac. And M2 and the keyboard have some debug. Okay, but it's running and working and no question. Have any function. USB. Yeah, I know. And USB support. Not very good. So let me start it. We need a talking. Hey, how to close that? Okay, we go back. The program is different. If you want on your Mac and install the different too much on the Linux, so you need to use the U-boot. So and the Mesa driver, right? The Mesa driver, Mesa can GPU. Yeah, this is the GPU drivers. Okay. Now we know that Debian is a Trixia, Trixia, yeah, Trixia. If you want use a bookworm, okay, you have the Debian 12. Now it's a Debian and it's 3G. Mesa, yeah, now it's the rebuilding. Okay, game stacker. Now we know if you let me talk on the Fedora, you have MUVM and the Libic and the can run in the stick. But Debian, no, not for that. You want to see at the winner, yeah, it definitely is at the winner HQ the programmer. But I want to tell you, when HQ can run, yeah, but this is ARM54. You need that as yourself and make, CMake, yeah. So it's a feeling not good. But you really want to say, hey guys, I want to run in there in Xer and 17.4 program, yeah, huh? But now it's not for that. So Fedora the program and Asahi user plan is a Libic ring, and the MUVM and FEX. And now we told you the Docker and the container and the Podman is more and more good. You can use that. Yeah, you can use that running the different and system. Yeah, you can try an Android or the Fedora and the Linux. But you wanna know? This is feeling not good, but it's just a normal. Right, let me turn normal. So on this element, system set system set this is Mac OS, this is Asahi Fedora. On Fedora, okay, you want the DNF installed, some dev, some dev, yeah, some the. Okay, let me think. Red Hatter Shillings and install. Not dev. Okay, RPM. So if I install the RPM, you want why? No. The dev just the RPM just support, not support. You not count install it. Just more and more error. If you go luckily install that, but you not can running. Yeah, I meet the too much. The program not can run. I feel not good. Yeah, and install and uninstall. So if you we need that open, so we use that. Okay, let me quickly think, try something. Let me change something. Okay, it's OBS and no. I need you tell me the secret. How to do the fig. Okay, you can see I'm same under secret, but just maybe we no not 8 it's just a change. Not 多，我哭过。哎呀呀，这个。Why? I never found that. No. Oh, okay, I found that. Now you can open the secret. So about so and the first question I need that terminal. No, it's a terminal. You need that and remove among the first Fedora and how to do that. Let me tell you. Okay, this is our system. Let me go on the terminal. Let me quickly clean. So we need a fast remove. How to remove the fast the disk util list. So disk util list. So we can 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we just have the 3, but you want to hey, the AsahiLinuxどこでじゃあ what is the Asahi? Okay. So this is a disk. and it's a Fedora data, and Fedora user 10 go gigabit, and Fedora OR. Yeah, right. So my Mac user 1Q. Yeah. And how to delete?
Erase the partition.
So
To do so, type this command and provide a valid partition identifier. Then press the Enter key to erase this volume.
so the Debian user distributed error survivor value and driver div and disk 0 and S4. So we need to div is 4 what? 0 4 0 4. Yes, this user and just but this and I give the Linux the file system you take. Alright. Else just the Apple. Use that. So we need to set something. So disk UTRL and EROSE order and DRVE and there and disk 0 and 4. So you see the guy says Asahi, I say the Fedora and diagnose and the error wallet. So this is not the error wallet, but the guess how to run the error wallet. We need again and check disk 0. But meaning disk 0 as 4. Not running. What the question?
Case it may be different, just note down the
ERASE. Okay, it's my fault. ERA. Okay. Now we said the EFI. What is the EFI? So your EFI is the static, the U boot like or something. Yeah, that's just the boot. So they said the deal you will set on your disk. Okay, the Fedora I have. No question. Let me go on the left. We need that and the deal 1, 2, 3, maybe.
identifier and valid partition identifier. Then header, choose View and select Show All Devices. Now from the sidebar, choose SSD and click on the partition.
Okay. That person. So we need this are Michael and this the what? Macintosh and disk 1. Okay, disk 3 was that? You don't know. But I know this are Fedora. So
Do not touch the Macintosh and the first and last partitions.
okay. This and this and this don't do. We just need to do the 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and how to. Pure. Just okay. The door. The circle job. Yeah, I have as a row to show you.
informations related to Debian, delete them one by one.
Yeah. Okay. Down. Let me check. Q. Okay, you will find the Fedora not on that because I found the deal. Right? Yeah. And go my OBS. You can use some on the screen. So skill step 1. Okay, I feel the disk is stops that. I not control anything. Okay. The deal is working. The deal is working and success is deal. We found Fedora not AsahiLinux&Fedora not that because it failed. And I'm going to you how to install the Debian. I really wish you can feel the maybe too good. Yeah. But if we are under shut down my macOS, the lab will stop that. But don't be worried. I use my telephone and camera, so I will watch a video. Okay, the video, and now and the label we cut, so cut again. So you will know how to uninstall the Linux. So really cool. Okay, do. Now, my disk just have the Macintosh, not have and Fedora. And then I how to install. So first, install that terminal. Let me again let me check the disk list. So disk list have the WAV, just and macOS. Okay, Macintosh. Yeah. Okay. And quickly the save and the markdown. The faster. Unite disk list. Hey. What? Okay. List. And I need to do that. Okay, you is the bash. Okay, these are bash. Okay, this is step 1. No, not a step. And how to remove your Asahi Linux, your Mac. Yeah. Let me talk on the 2 and how to install. How to install your Mac Asahi Linux, Fedora, and Debian. Yeah, this is the two and really the neat element. Okay, let me tell you how to install the faster. Copy that. Okay, and terminal and CLEAR clean. The faster to download that. Okay, the boot right install and the checking version. Very okay, and the input my password. And I enter the continue. And you will get my the something. And rewrite. We need to change my disk. Yeah, and make a space for the new OS. So this is change your Mac just user your disk have 13 and this is the new XR and 17. No, I don't like that. But if you want to install, you need that really important that you can and available a space. But I want to talk why I on the installed Fedora I can use that 15 GB, but now that has a 3.93. Why? I want to know what happened. If you check, I have the yes, it's a gigabit, but also space so many delete something. So let me shut it down and USMO CLEN more clean. And the data system can wait for me and they'll do some the program some the GB and I need that more and more. Screen sample apps. I want to know what something what happened. Yeah. PLP cache, projector, executor, no. Clean. No. Nothing to clean, nothing. So you just have app the data. Maybe sorry, app the data tonight. Not tonight. Just a spacer 021. Okay, the Fender. Hey, I should have the 6 gigabit Docker. I need to deal with that. Yeah, 16? Yeah. You will feel that's not good. Yeah, I will feel no good. I mean, again, let me check. I can use that. How to downloading. Okay, and continue. Just have the 3, 4. Okay, we need to have the 1 gigabit, another gigabit to code. No, not on that. Will. I need to restart the Mac. And Ctrl C, shut it down. And I'm in temporal. Just go 12 and I click Q. And I close the Chrome. Close. That's really important. 1 gigabit to code. Close the Safari, close Telegram, and another mail, and Apple Music, we just have three. Yeah, I'm gonna do white and I will shut down to. So this 配信が誕生できて、stop that. Now we use that run the camera and to